I want to buy a car valued at Rm 75,000 with a loan tenure of 7 years and an interest rate of 2.2% per annum. But before I make any decisions, I need to understand my loan options. Let's see how the hire purchase installment calculator can help me. Now, I have two options to finance my new car. The first option involves withdrawing the fixed deposit, with a real interest rate of 3.6%, but allowing me to buy the car outright. The second option is to take a hire purchase loan at an interest rate of 2.2%. Feeling overwhelmed by the decision, I want to compare and determine which option is more financially beneficial. Upon reviewing the calculations through this website, I realized that the real interest rate for the hire purchase loan is 4.15%, while the fixed deposit's real interest rate is 3.6%, which is 0.55% higher than the fixed deposit rate. Comparing the two options side by side, it becomes evident that withdrawing fixed deposit is a more worthwhile consideration than opting for the hire purchase loan to purchase a new car, especially with the potential 0.55% savings. Here's also a summary of the payment breakdown and the annual capital repayment in details.